Hey, welcome back to Excel Dent Removal, where I share the excellent paintless dent repair that I provide for my customers here every day. Now today I've got a new Dodge Ram back in the shop for this awkward long crease that we're going to be able to fix today. Now if this is your first time here, keep watching because you're going to see what high quality crease dent removal can do for you. Then click that subscribe button below so you can discover more excellent paintless dent repair videos. Now here you see that this crease damage also had a long scratch in the paint. And this is still not a problem for a paintless repair, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna be able to get the crease out, no problem, and then our customer is gonna have the paint touched up, and this saves the high quality factory finish that they would have to do painting on the rest of the box. All right, we've got another excellent repair completed here for this crease. Now you're gonna see the final results in just a minute. But first, be sure to tap that like button and comment below with any of your questions. Now, if you're still here watching this and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now to see more videos, and then watch one of these other videos that we have here for more excellent paintless dent repair. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in that next excellent video.